So we're here in Fleetwood, and we're just going to have a quick walk now before we have some dinner. We've got a nice shop there, and we've got the Fleetwood to Knot End ferry terminal there, where you can get the ferry. So Darryl and Janet are just in front of me. I'm just going to have a look at this ferry terminal there. There we go.
When I have never seen.
And look how clear it is.
You can see all across
actually across there. Walk a little bit this way. We've got the lifeboat place there. That looks quite good. And we've got like a little cafe, I think there. And just take a look across there. We've got the North Euston Hotel. And there, welcome to Fleetwood Ferry Beach. And we've got some like boats hanging there. Let's just carry on a little bit further down here. Yeah, like anchor. Take a look at that, just check that out. The fishermen of Fleetwood have sailed here from here. Lovely little front here, seafront, and it's not that busy, so it is quite good to walk along. We've got a statue, a lady, a baby, a girl, and a dog there. We're coming up now to like a bell tower thing here. Just check that out. Just not sure what it actually is, whether it was an old lighthouse or what it was really. And we're right by the big hotel here. And if I look this way, we've got absolutely loads and loads of seagulls and pigeons. Oh, I think they're pigeons actually, there's a few seagulls, but mostly pigeons. And we've got like a little bit of a sandy beach there. And if we zoom in there, we've got the sea. And I think here we've got Leo and Nick, Darryl and Janet coming. So we're all having a little walk. As I say, Janet, Darryl, Nick, Leo, they're all there. Leo's enjoying his walk and Nick's enjoying his walk. And like I say, we're in Fleetwood at the moment. We will go Blackpool in a bit. And we've also got Mum with us. And there's that statue again. It's nice, that is, really nice, really good. Like the little dog with him. That looks really cool. So we're heading now back towards the café, where we will probably have something to eat. It's on a bit of a chilly side. My hands are actually cold holding this camera to get you this video. But I'm sure it'll be well worth it. Look at the Union Jack flying there right in the middle of the screen. And we'll just check this seat out here. Have a look at that. That looks quite good. Like I say, we're coming to the cafe, which we'll have a look at in a second. So here we go. Here's the Ferry cafe, which we're going to go in now and probably have something to eat. So Mum's eating a cheesecake there.
Lovely.
Janet's pouring a tea and stirring it up before she does it.
Come on.
And we'll just have a look now at the Ferry cafe. Nice place to do some really, really good food in here. It's quite busy as well today. There's a lot of people sitting in here eating and having the food.
No matter how you try, does it take through?
And if you have a look there, that's where you place all your order. Daryl's sitting in the car with Nick. He's had a burger, cheeseburger. We have got quite a good view through the window. So they do bring the food to you here. So I've got a little fork there, or spoon with a number on, weird number 34. Like I say, that'll come through to me in a second. I've ordered a full English breakfast and Janet's ordered fish and peas. So I'll show you that before we tuck in and eat it in a second.
It's a nice place, aren't they?
But yeah, the food here is really, really good. So here we go. Janet's got a fish and peas. It's like a shark. Just putting a lemon on it now, and I've got me full breakfast there, and that's absolutely massive as well. I don't know how I'm going to get through that. I've got egg, beans, tomato, bacon, mushroom, sausage, black pudding, hash brown, and toast. So I'll have to see what we can do. I've certainly made a mess of that. There's hardly anything left, and so has Janet. She's ate all her fish and peas, and Mum's ate a cheesecake. So it's still very busy in here. People are eating everywhere. They're enjoying the fish, chips and peas. Look at that guy there, he's tucking in his fish and chips.
Dog friendly.
So that's it. We heading outside now, back to the car. And we've had a really, really good meal here at the Ferry Cafe.